Welcome to Cobra Products, How to Use a Toilet Auger. In this video, I'll be showing you the proper methods of using a toilet auger to clear a clog. Instructions for operation are included on the packaging and should be read thoroughly before using any product. It's important to note here that only toilet augers and plungers should be used to clear clogs in a toilet. Drain augers do not have safety features to help protect your porcelain from damage. As with any drain cleaning project, it is always recommended that you wear snug-fitting work gloves and safety glasses. This is especially important if drain cleaning chemicals were previously used in an attempt to clear the clog. Okay, here we go. First, pull the toilet auger handle upward to position the boring head at the end of the safety guide tube. Slowly insert the boring head into the toilet drain. Be careful not to scratch the porcelain. Rotate the handle clockwise while gently pushing the handle downward to dislodge the clog. Be careful not to apply excessive force to avoid bending or twisting the cable inside the trap of the toilet. When the water in the bowl has drained, pull the handle back to its original position and slowly remove the auger. A blockage could take several attempts to be fully cleared. Flush the toilet to make sure that the clog has cleared. You may want to have an old towel handy to wipe off any debris or excess water. Be sure to rinse the auger thoroughly to prevent any unpleasant odors and possible damage to the auger from the drain cleaning chemicals. Let the auger air dry and apply lubricating oil to the cable wire and boring head before storing the unit. We hope you found this video useful and easy to follow. And remember, you can find this toilet auger along with other quality Cobra Products drain cleaning tools at your local home improvement center.